Memories frozen, fossilized, afraid of the past, so petrified. 'Cause I just don't know how to let go. It's forever, you're inside my bones. Your DNA, I can't forget. Washing away the emptiness. Yeah, your voice is just an echo, but it's the only thing I need to know that you're alive. Your light will never die. So I follow in the middle of the night and find my way. You're my constellation. Pulls me off the ground. Over my head, I'll never drown. You hold me steady when I'm shaking. My reality is caving in. Connecting the stars so I can see the infinite picture vividly. In every dimension, you speak and I listen. I know that you're alive. Your light will never die. So I follow in the middle of the night and find my way. You're my constellation. You're my constellation.
To be given life is a gift. To be given a chance to celebrate the gift of life is a blessing. Special people call for a special celebration. And today we are gathered here today for a special reason, and that is to give honor to our special celebrant tonight. Once again, a pleasant evening to each and everyone, and welcome to Cresha's 18th birthday celebration. Palakpakan po mga people. And before we officially start this program this evening, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Joseph Roy Lumbayon, and I am your royal host from Barangay Katigan, Kiril, Davao City. Wala po ng palakpakan to your host for tonight. Ayan, maraming salamat po to Ma'am Wendy and to the rest of the Melendez family for trusting me to be their debut host for tonight's celebration. And nalakoy kamay na reminder for everyone, and I hope na naminaw ang tanan, because this announcement is very important, no? Labi na karon na celebration na sa birthday ni Cresha. Actually, last night po, madlang people, no, the family or Ma'am Wendy personally called me around mga 1 a.m. No, just to inform me about this very important and makasadden kaayong balita ikan sa family, no. So sa lahat ng mga nagsi-cellphone, nag-uusap, kindly lend me your fullest attention for this very important reminder for this program tonight. As per instruction of Ma'am Wendy, together with the approval of our celebrant, Cresha, kung wala daw tayo kusog kaayong nga palakpak pagsagit para sa tong birthday celebrant, wala tayo mahitabo nga dinner. So yung anak, importante nga to ang announcement, tama lang daw ta pika-pika. So kung nakapika-pika na mo, you are very lucky. So once again, let real hell isa muna malakas na palakpakan na may hiyawan! Mana people, let's not continue the fun and excitement before anything else, let's first acknowledge and welcome the loving family of our celebrant tonight. Ayan. So, dili mahitabo ni nga celebration kung wala ang support and love sa iyahang family. So now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the loving family of Gresha Melendez. Let's start with her loving sibling, Miss Maria Brianna Kate Melendez. Palakpakan din natin. Ayan, kaway-kaway tayo sa Madlang People natin. Ayan, dito muna tayo sa taas. Maria Brianna Kate, dito tayo sa taas. Ayan, at sa taas. Good evening. Good evening. Ikaw bang debutant natin? Parang marag na alasan mo si ate. Anyway, how do I call you? Maria, Brianna, or Kate?
Brianna.
Brianna! Ayan, what a beautiful name. Ito yung katanungan natin para kay Brianna. Anong klaseng ate ba si Ate Gresha? And as her younger sibling, how thankful are you na may ate kang katulad ng Ate Gresha? Palakpakan po natin, Madlang People. Let's hear it from Brianna.
Mabait po si ate at saka mabait at maganda si ate. I am grateful for the kind of sister that she is, and she is very, pero sometimes nag-away kami. Sorry. Pero sana wala yung oo naman, mabait siya. Pero if na-bad mood siya, so okay na ito.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan, Madlang People, for Brianna? Ayan, ate, akyat po na tayo sa taas. Thank you very much. And of course, let's also welcome her very supportive father, Mr. Mort Harold. Ayan. Ang pinaka-poging daddy. How are you feeling tonight? Ayan po, sir. Anyway, ano po yung pagpapasalamat natin, sir, sa lahat po ng mga dumalo tonight? To all your friends, relatives, family members who are here to celebrate your daughter's birthday. Palakpakan po natin, Madlang People. We have Sir Mark.
May gabi sa tanan, no? Dagang salamat sa tanang itambong, karong gabi na sa pag-celebrate sa birthday ni Tusha. Katulad, hindi ako magtaas ng istorya kasi may mahulog.
Hindi po magiging kompleto yung family Melendez kung wala po ang presensya ng kanyang napakaganda, napaka-sexy and very gorgeous mother, Mommy Wendy Grace Melendez! Ayan. And I'm sure no, si Mommy dyan ang nag-coordinate sa tanang mga suppliers tonight. Right, Mommy? Good evening, Mommy Wendy.
Good evening.
You look very gorgeous too.
Here?
Ayan. Saan po ba nagmana si Gresha, Mommy?
Sa silingan.
Hala, grabe. Murag naalagay revelation mo ron, Mommy.
Murag happy na siya. Mostly siyang papa. Mata.
Mata niya, imuha na tanan.
Amot asa na niwat ang uban nga part. Pero sa among ilong, murag sa among family.
Ayan. Nasa daw ang family ni Ma'am Wendy? Kaway-kaway daw po. Ayan. Anyway, Ma'am Wendy, no? Any thank you message din po sa lahat ng mga dumalo ngayon, sa mga classmates and friends of Gresha, sa lahat po ng mga relatives na nag-take time and effort to travel here sa Luckeril Hall to be with you on your daughter's birthday. Palakpakan po natin, we have Mommy Wendy.
Good evening everyone. Kabalo ko busy ang tanan, pero salamat sa paghahin sa inyong oras para makatambong sa birthday sa akong anak. So dili na ako tason. Salamat!
Okay, last na lang, Mami. No, di na ako tasol ko ng question. Since ikaw ang nadala sa iya for 9 months, and now she bloomed into a beautiful, fine young lady. So what are your thoughts about this one, Mami? Kung sa'yo mo ang ikasulti, kung sa'yo mo ikapasalamat sa Ginoo for having karon na dyan siya mami. But, no, mo na dyan niya mag-meeting sa aming kadali. Tsaka, sige na. Isipan lang ninyo nga kami lang sa terrain. Again, mami, unsa ka-thankful nung niabot nga Krisha sa imong life. No, I think she's the eldest. And siya jud ang nagbuhat sa imo to become an official mother. Palakpakan po natin ang letter sender po natin for tonight, Mami Wendy Grace.
Alam mo may istorya, oy, pero thankful ko sa iya ha, kay murag, she completed me, charing. Pero, dili kay ko gusto speech, kay dili ko gusto ba, kuan, ma-center of attention, pero salamat ko sa iya ha, kay kanang, although na ay mga times nga gahi kinig ulo si Aya, no? Aya ako nickname sa iya ha. Pero, okay, wala ko yung makuhaan sa iya ha, murag ka ng, even though na siya mga lapses as a child, ako po na pero, kanang murag, thankful ko nga, murag napadakosod na ako siya nga, murag, okay po nga tao. Nana lang, murag loving po siya sa amoa. Unya na po nag-uban. Later na ang uban, ako lang tingpon. Sir, okay na sir.
Palakpakan po natin, Madam People. Thank you very much. At po muna tayo, Mommy and Daddy. Anyway, Madam People, before we officially welcome Krisha on stage, let's first take a glimpse. A life that has been a shining example of love, strength, and grace. So before I call in our debutant tonight, may I request everyone to please stand. Pwede po ba tayong tumayo lahat, Madlang People? Let's all rise as we officially welcome our celebrant tonight. And as I mentioned, bigyan po natin si Krisha na isang malakas na palakpakan na may hiyawan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn the spotlight to the star of today's celebration. Let's all rise and let's give her a warmest smiles and let our applause fill this room as we welcome with love, admiration, and celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for our dazzling lady of the night, Miss Krisha Faith Melendez. Once again, fellow people, let's give it up for our beloved celebrant, Krisha! Sige po. So may I request po muna yung, sige po, isang ano muna tayo, photo ops po muna tayo with Krisha. Sige po.
Yes, sir. Yeah, one. More. Walking.
Okay, walking pose po tayo. Okay, sige po. Akyat po muna tayo, Mommy, Daddy, and Brianna. And again, man lang po yung isang malakas mong palakpakan once again for Krisha Faith Melendez. And pwede na po tayong po. Okay, kakamustahin ko lang po yung celebrant natin. So, Krisha, good evening.
Good evening po.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy to finally meet you on your birthday. Actually po, hindi po kami nakaroon ng face-to-face meeting. But you look very gorgeous, Krisha. Ayan, so Krisha, anyway, before we continue, what is your thank you message sa lahat ng mga dumalo ngayong gabi? This is a special day for you and they made it more special by being here tonight. Palakpakan po natin, Madlang People, we have Krisha.
So I would like to thank everyone who came here today, especially to my friends and my family who came from afar, sa aking family na nag-travel pa just to come to my birthday. I would like to thank them, and to my classmates na even though we had class earlier, you still took your time to get here, and to my friends na I know that your schedules are busy, but I'm very thankful that you came here. So that is all. Thank you.
Ano palakpakan po natin, Madlang People? Anyway, Krisha, no, aside from your friends, relatives, classmates, hindi magiging ganito ka-successful ang celebration mo tonight, no? Not just by being here at Lucky Hill Hall, kundi dahil sa pagmamahal ng iyong family. Yan po. So may I request, Brianna, pwede ka bang tumayo dito sa right side ni ate? Okay, so Kresha, what is your thank you message to your younger sibling?
I would like to thank her for being the best sister. We've had our ups and downs as siblings, and of course, religion na mawala na you have to love your siblings. So I'd like thank you so much for being a great little sister to me, for listening to me at times, even though sige mig-away. So she's still the best. She's still growing, and I understand that. And she has a lot to grow into pa. So thank you for being the best sister.
Palakpakan ba natin, madlang people, no? Hearing those words, grabe. No? You should be proud of her, Brianna. And of course, your parents. Ayan po, daddy and mommy, dito tayo sa left side naman. So, Kresha, no, gikan sa mga childhood, hantod karon no? This is not an easy journey for your parents. Maybe na mga ups and downs sa family, sa life, but they gave you the best life ever. So what would be your thank you message? Yan, tingnan mo si daddy at saka si mommy. No? Now on your legal age, on your legality, they are now officially molding you to be a better person. So again, ano yung papasalamat mo sa parents mo?
So I'd like to start off with my dad. I thank you for always being physically present, especially when it comes to school. He's always there, like while parents' orientation or mga events at school. He's always physically present, and sa house, he's always helping me around, especially like if may gusto ako, so he helps me craft them, and siya yung naghahatid sa akin sa school all the time. So yeah, thank you for it. And to my mom, I would like to thank her for giving me everything, especially when it comes to school. She's the one who usually provides for, and I would like to thank her because this wouldn't happen if she didn't pay for all this. So I would like to thank them for teaching me how to be me, and for letting me grow, even though they know that I'm different from the others. They still let me go the way I am, even though sige may away ni mama, especially when it comes to fashion. She doesn't like my style, but she still lets me be myself, and I'm thankful for that.
Wala to kami si magbaha direct.
Ayan, palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Thank you very much, guys. And ayan, Kresha, you may now take your seat upstairs. Ayan po, thank you very much. Po ng parents, ng kapatid, no, ni Kresha. Anyway, tonight, before we dive into the fun and exciting part of this tonight's celebration, let's first hear a few words coming from someone who is very special and who knows our celebrant best. So friends, let's give a big round of applause, full of love and warmth for the proud parents of our celebrant as they officially welcome us all to their daughter's debut celebration. Palakpakan po natin Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Wendy Melendez.
I hope everyone will have fun tonight.
Short but very sweet. Palakpakan po natin, madam people. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Wendy and Sir Mark. And And ayan po, madam people, I'm sure that everyone is so excited for this celebration. And we are now about to start our set of 18s. And I am referring to the first 18s, which is our 18 bills. Okay? So may I request all our 18 bills to please stand. Yung pong nabigyan po ng mga mahiwagang envelopes natin. Ayan, so please stand and please form a line doon po sa may entrance arc natin. Thank you very much. Again, all the 18 bills, please stand up and please form a line dyan po sa may entrance arc. Para sa 1,000 naman. Dapat pabunggahan ng rampa. Okay ba? Diyan lang po muna tayo, ma'am. Timothy James Restauro! Alakpakan po mga people. Ang nagto. Puro magwabi ng bench fashion week. Mark Vincent Medina! Okay, how about a big round of applause for Mr. Mark J. Melendez? Paporma lang, no? Daddy mode lang, daddy mode. Ayan. Okay, let's also welcome Mr. Okay, sorry. Miss Emily Briz. Ayan, isang rampa po tayo, ma'am. Okay, coming up next, we have another celebrity from PBB Season 8, Melissa Beginon. Coming up next, mga people, isang malakas pong palakpakan for Mr. Mario Melendez. How about a round of applause for Garlic de Ginon? Mr. Jinray Sevilla. Huwag naman palakpakan sa mga people. Ayan. Okay, now let's call in another bill for tonight. Okay, let's call in Mr. Erwin Balura. Ay, eto po pala si Sir. Asa tagitan, Sir? Joke lang po. Okay, let's call in Miss Kimberly, Kim Beverly Restauro. Ayan. Ayan. Look ko din. Maninood lagi, mamba. Okay, how about a big hand for Miss Rhea Melendez? Ayan. Parang school principal lang si Mama. De joke lang po. Okay, let's call in Miss Lavilia Sevilla. Our fourth to the last, we have Nerissa Antonio. Wala po mga palakpakan sa madam people. Wala, ang pinakamadam sa kanan. Okay, let's all welcome Miss Mary Ansel. Ikan pa siya sa pangulekta, no? Kumusta ang kolekta na ito, ma? Okay, how about a big hand for Miss Princess Melendez? And last but not the least, let's all welcome Miss Elena Bordas. And natama na po ba ang lahat? Okay. Melendez! Ayan, save the last for best. Or save the best for last. Okay, isang straight line po tayo. And Christian, can you join them for a photo ops? Yung 9 po dito sa... Through how generosity and the hope of financial bliss should go through the life of our debutant. Their personal messages. Are you ready? 18 bills. Our first lucky bill ang iyong maleta dahil papasok ka na sa bahay ni Kuya. Emily Bliss! Palakpakan po natin ang people.
Hi, Kuan. Ako yung pinakagwapa kanina. Pinakadato po. Kuan, happy birthday, Atla.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan, madlang people? Ayan. You may give your envelope, ma'am. Ayan. Okay, our next lucky bill. Congratulations! Dito naman tayo mamili. Sino po yung ready dito sa inyo, sir? Si Baby. You are our next lucky bill. Our Ginoong Davao 2026. Si Papa. Congratulations! Garlic the Demon! Palakpakan po natin. Dari ka, Dari, sir?
Good evening sa tanan, most especially sa ito ang debutant, Aya. I'm your ninong pod. Okay, so si Aya ay first nako nga inanak. So, natay mga kuwan sa una nga, dapat ang first inanak is lalaki. But wala dyan ko nipalipad ni Wendy kay for me, an invitation nga ihimo kanino is always a blessing niya. Sa ako ay a blessing ka kay ikaw ang ako ang first nga inanak. Yeah. Di ba naman dyan na special man dyan sa tuwa ang every first na to na experience. So, my experience, happy kay ko ato nga time kay na-invite. Not all kay dili ka ma-invitahan ka na. So my message for you, legal na dyan, no? Legal age na. Then, pala, pray lang na ako nga ganang unta, whatever your wish, naman dyan, unta i-grant na, siguro dili lang ito magdali. In God's time, yan ang ihakat. Then, make your parents proud. Then, again, happy birthday.
Ayan, sir, makahinga na ka, sir. Okay, our last lucky bill. You are this season's Pinoy Big Brother Grand Champion. Coming from the collaboration of GMA and ABS-CBN. Congratulations! Ano pangalan niya, sir? Junray Sevilla! Palakpakan po natin mga people.
Good evening, everyone. Ako po, ikaw wala ko ang first inanak. So, hindi ako ang classmates. So, happy birthday. Hope all your wishes and dreams come true. Never give up and just keep trying. So, you are on legal age now, 18, and mas ma-happy siguro ko kung imuhang path is, since legal age na ka, dapat maging lawyer po ka. So, if you choose to be a lawyer, I will be sponsoring you.
And thank you so much, Dina. But wait! There's more! Meron pa po palang umahabol. Our Miss Grand Philippines first runner-up. Sino po kaya sa mga kababaihan natin ang handang lumaban representing the Philippines? Ready na yung kay Kamamo. You are the lucky Bill. Mary Ansel! Palakpakan po natin malaki.
Hi, I know you know me too. So I'm your mom's classmate, and I witnessed how your mom brings you to school when we were in college, and now ikaw na nasa college. And I hope na you do well, you do well like your mama did. And I'm super happy seeing you grow into a beautiful woman. Welcome to the adult world.
Palakpakan ba natin, Madam People? Ayan po. And to the rest of the bills, you are now safe. Ayan, you may give your envelopes. Thank you very much, our 18 bills. At least no, sa sugod pa lang, nakulbaan na ang uban, no? Marag si ma'am yun ang nakaredy ba? Ma'am, no? Gusto niyo itong storya ka rin. No need na no need na. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you may now go back to your seats. Pressure, can you have a one last post? Yung parang deck of cards, yung envelopes. Ready? Ayan. Okay, parang pamaypay. Ayan. Okay, thank you. And now, Madam People, may I now invite our next set of 18s. You are our next 18 candles. Ayan po, sa lahat po ng mga 18 candles natin, tayo na po tayo, and same with our 18 bills. Can you please form a line at the backstage, and doon po sa may entrance. Papaano naging ilaw si Kresha sa buhay po ninyo? And you may give your short message. Again, papaano po naging ilaw si Kresha sa buhay po ninyo, and you may give your short message. After that, let Kresha blow the candle and pakibigay po yung candle kay Kresha. And please stay for a personal photo ops with our debutant. Let's start with our first candle tonight. Madam People, let's call in Miss Laika Fiona Osorio. Palakpakan po natin.
Good evening, everyone. Wala ko ito dun sa answer, pero I have just a short reminder. Happy birthday, Chris! Welcome to the age of legality. I wish you good health and a good journey sa iyong college days, of course. Hopefully, makuha ni mo yung gusto sa college na maging Latin honor. But Latin honor wala basta. Ang importante is makahumani ka o school. So, I'll always guide you on how to style the clothes, maging aesthetic, and be the person who will always listen to your problems. Be who you are, and don't forget that we'll always love you.
So, I met Kresha during the pandemic, and she has really helped me to not feel alone, and she has helped me through a lot of my problems, and she's always been supportive of me. So, I really wish you the best, and I hope you enjoy your birthday today. Happy birthday, Crash! Matagal na tayo naging friends since grade 7 pa. Pero, you were my best friend in grade 7. And until now, since nag-reunite tayo, after 2 years na din nakita, you really light up my pandemic era. Sa lahat ng study sesh and all the late night calls and mga laro-laro natin, I'm so happy na nag-reach out tayo ulit. And now, na-classmates tayo again. Sana magtagal pa yung friendship natin. Happy birthday! Hello! Happy birthday! And like, good luck sa college years, and if you need anything, I'm just here. Oh, wait, I'm gonna share. If,
You became like my life. Like, well, because of you, like, I came out of my shell. Like, I'm a very introvert person, but like, when it comes to you, like, I'm like very like loud. Thank you for having my talk and like, happy birthday. And God bless you. Happiest birthday, Crush. It's crazy to think na murag yesterday lang tayo ko. Nagkauban sa permente everyday sa school na gasandugan na gasabay og lunch. Tapos di dito mahutan ng chika. And now, every occasion na lang dito nakakita. But even so, I'm so happy of the person you've become. You have grown so much, Jude, and now na 18 na ka, maka-encounter ka problems in your life, and if you ever feel unloved and unworthy, even if di na ta always kakita, please know na I still and will always care about you. You can always approach me. Happy birthday, Crush. I love you.
Happy birthday, Aya. Welcome to adulthood. May your 18th birthday be the beginning of life full of happiness, success, and love. Embrace your journey with an open heart and a brave spirit. Happy birthday.
I am honored to be one of your 18 candles, wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and love. May your years be filled with happiness, success, and all the good things life has to offer. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, karang welcome to adulthood, no? Makulong na siya namin dyan. Kuan, kanang watching you grow into the amazing young woman you are today is such a blessing, especially sa inyong mama at papa. Your journey to adulthood be filled with wisdom, courage, and endless opportunities. We will always be here to love and support you, and ayaw ka pagbago ha, dapat pagbinutan na ka-permi, itong ayaw nga na kailan na mo before, nga selfless, mahitagan kaayo, and love you always ha, as your ate ha.
Haya, happy birthday. So, si Aya is isa sa akong mga pagumangkon. So, ako lang masulti is, si Aya is a type of person na dili siya lively, nag-stay lang siya sa iyang room, but, but I always love her as ate niya, and even though sometimes kanang dili pod may when it comes to fashion and everything, know that I will always love you, Lian.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Aya. Today marks a new chapter of growth, adventure, and possibilities. You're amazing, kind, and inspiring. Here's to many more years of love, laughter, and making memories. Happy birthday to my loving sister. You're officially an adult now, and the world is full of possibilities. I hope your day is as bright and as beautiful as you are. May this chapter bring your joy, success, and unforgettable memories. You deserve all the love, laughter, and adventure life has to offer. Here's to another year of growth, learning, and making your dreams come true.
Hi, Aya. Hindi ko hilak, pero well, sila pagpay ko na tita, no? So, for your life, nasaksak po na ako ka na di ka pa ka bago bisilang sa imuhang mama. Napakasduya, nagduya na pati ka ito muna. But I know nga ikaw, nag-grow ka as a young, pretty, and intelligent woman. Ako ang ikabilin sa imuha is a verse. kung naa kay Bible or Bible app, hilom to me ang Jeremiah 29:11. Imo ni among life verse. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So, ang Ginoo naghatag sa tuwa og ayuhan. So, I know intelligent ka nga bata and we are so proud of you. Kay as a tita, maayo kay Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi, and I know nga imong pong parents and sa imong family pray para sa imong future na makahuman kag school, and we love you so much. Paski usahay na siya lang baby siya.
Happy 18th birthday to the most amazing pamangkin in the world. Today marks a major milestone in her life, and I'm being thrilled to celebrate this special day with you. As you step into adulthood, I want you to know that the world is full of endless possibilities and opportunities waiting to be explored. You're at the threshold of a new chapter, and I couldn't be more excited for you. I love you more than words can express, and kaya happy 18th.
Kay lang tawa ka kay happy birthday o kaning kandila nagsimbolo sa kahayag. Ang kahayag sa atong panimalay ang atong mama. So, maski pag nanak ka sa legal age, dili pwede nga di na ta maminaw sa atoang mama. Kaya nga atong mama, dili na siya mo istorya or mamaymay nga makadaot sa toa. Hinaot nga ibutang nimo na perminti sa imuhang huna-huna kay walay ginikanan nga ang itudlo sa mga anak makadaot sa iyaha. Happy birthday.
Wanya, namatutod. Happy birthday, wala ko message siya, wala. Psalm 27 verse 4. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Walang dito, happy birthday.
Anak, kaning para sa kuha, kinahanglan kanang gatak apo. Kasi aya, lipayong ikay 18 anyos ni mo ya, tako na kayo ka, dalaga na, nalipay kayo ko, nga nakita ta ka mabubu. Nutubo nga buutan o panyag. Ang papel maminti sa nung kinabuhi na, ang tagiyahan ka sa may pagkuhan sa imong kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Daghang kayo salamat na.
Happy birthday, Aya! Wishing you love and happiness in your birthday lang ga. Unta, padayon ni mo pagabutan na bata. O, kumanay mo pa eskwela para lang po na sa imuhang life o imuman. Thank you, and may all your wishes come true today and always. Love you lang ga.
Aya, watching you today on your debut fills my heart with so much pride and joy. It feels like just yesterday, you were a little girl, and now you've grown into this beautiful, strong, and amazing young woman. Remember to always be true to yourself. Your kindness and spirit are what makes you special. This is just the beginning of your journey, and I can't wait to see all the wonderful things you'll accomplish. And hinaot kaning kahayag sa kandila, magiyan nimo sa maayong dalan sa kaugmaon.
Closer po tayo, heads closer, ready? Abay, isang group hug po, group hug po. 1, 2, 3, group hug. Then wacky pose, wacky. Then jump shot. Then joke lang po, joke. People, and let's collect our voices as we sing the birthday song for our debutant, Kresha Music DJ. Happy birthday to you. Young people, ready? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now let's try to sing it faster, young people, ready? Birthday to you, hey, hey. So Krisha, on behalf of all your family, friends, relatives, classmates, we wish you a happy and blessed 18th birthday. So before you blow the candle, what is your birthday wish on your 18th?
My wish is to do better in school because I'm already in college and I need to do better, especially the fact that my school is very expensive. That's all.
Ito po itong mga ulo, biyong itong mga mata. Yes, Almighty Father, thank you so much for noong karong gabi una. Bisa pa man, Lord, sa pag-celebrate sa 18th birthday ni Aya. Lord, wala piti-start sa iyong kinabuhi, Ginoo. Bless siya, Ginoo. Mahimo siyang maayong anak sa iyong kinikanan, Ginoo. Bisa pa man maayong soul sa iyong mga Lord, bless ang pagkaon niya sa mga karon, Lord. Mahimo nutrients sa mga paglawas. Kung isa pa man, Lord, bless ang mga kamot sa nag-andam ni Ini. Bless ang mga tao na dito, Ginoo. Ang ginauli ang Lord Maya, dahil ang kalimutan na, in Jesus' name, Amen.
In our celebrants live, we'll each present her with a rose and share her a dance. Every rose is not just a flower, but a symbol of love, respect, and admiration. And every dance is a promise of support, protection, and guidance as she embraces this new chapter of her life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have our 18 roses. Wala po mang palakpakan dyan, madlang people. Ayan po. Maraming salamat. So now let's begin with our first set of 18s. Hand for Mr. Erwin J. Barol. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Okay, thank you very much, Erwin. Ayan, isang photo ops muna tayo, Erwin. Ayan. And then kindly wait for our next rose to arrive. Okay, for the remaining 17 roses, huwag po munang aalis, Erwin, hanggat hindi po dumarating yung next rose natin. Okay, now let's call in our next rose, Mr. Sean Kawili. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Wala mo nang palakpakan dyan, madlang people, for Sean. Thank you very much. And just continue dancing. Okay. Next on our list, let's have another dance coming from Mr. Hexter Kambarihan. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Thank you very much, Hexter. Fourth rose will be coming from Jov Saluday. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. so much, John. Can you wait for the next rose? Diyan muna tayo. Okay, now let's call in our fifth rose coming from David Ayala. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, David. Ayan, dyan muna tayo. Okay, let's now call in our next rose, Michael Angelo Templanza. Palakpakan po natin. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan, mga people, for Michael Angelo? Thank you so much, Michael. Now let's have another dance coming from Shunrin Amandiay. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Shunrin. Okay, huwag mo nang alis, Junren. Let's have Jay Barua. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much, Jay. Diyan muna tayo. Let's have our ninth rose, Mr. Vince Trawol. Palakpakan po natin, mga people. Thank you so much, Vance. Ayan. Picture taking muna tayo and then dyan muna tayo. Wait for Mackenzie. Okay, now let's have Mackenzie Sales. Palakpakan po natin, my love people. So much, Mackenzie. Coming up next, we have Keith Lawrence Pasha. Palakpakan po natin. Salamat sa support, sir. No? Marag ikaw na lang yung nagpalakpak, sir. Huwag mo naman panihapon. Enjoy ka. Thank you. Pagkagunit na, sir. Ito po pagkagunit niya, sir. Okay, sir. Diyan muna tayo, sir. Balik muna tayo sa taas, sir. Ayan. Okay. Now, let's have Jean-Claude Bustamante. Palakpakan po natin, manong people. Ayan. Idaggan ang supporters. Salamat kayo. Thank you. Nabuhay is Bon Jovi, sir. Welcome back to reality, sir. Thank you very much. Bon Jovi, picture muna tayo. Okay, wag mo nang alas, Bon Jovi, dyan muna tayo. Okay, let's have Raven Riel Alvarez. Ano ko, Dagdag Fans Club. Thank you, Bon Jovi. Salamat kayo, sir. Pagamay yung mata ni mo, sir. Ano dyan mo manggulo tayo kung sa'yo? Oh, okay. Okay, sir, dyan muna tayo, sir. Balag, oh. Balag, wala pa kakamove on sa'yo, sir. Okay, rakayo. Ayan, dyan lang muna tayo. Okay, let's have Andre Matthew Jimenez. Palakpakan po natin mga people. Nagdagag baon ni si Sir Van. Salamat niya sa mga spills, sir. Gikan kay Bon Jovi. Thank you so much, Andre. Okay, our fourth to the last, let's have Mr. Mario Melendez. Palakpakan po natin mga people. Ang pinakagwapo sa tanang mga roses tonight. Wala bang mas malakas na palakpakan dyan, madlang people? Okay, just continue dancing, sir. Continue dancing muna tayo. Kaya ningon si sir, sayang yung outfit tonight. Kung nga to nakabubo ang sayaw. Grabe ka seryoso si sir. Okay na ka, sir. Bukat mo doon ang gold, sir. Bukat. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Mario. Now let's have Mr. Daniel Restauro. Palakpakan po natin, malupin. Ay, kami ang pinakagwapo yung gupit sa tanan ba? Ano, grabe ba katawa si ma'am ba, oh? I-appreciate lang yun akong haircut ni sir. Muna yung bagong trend ron, no? Parang Daniel Padilla. Pero marag nasaka lang gamay mo. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, sir, dyan muna tayo, sir. Let's have our second to the last, Mr. EJ Adrian Legaspi. Ay, mo na niyang present, sir. Ay, mo na niyang present. Ayan, Joyce, isang magandang kanta nga po para sa loved one ni Crusher. Palakpakan po man ng people. EJ Adrian Legaspi. Alam ka, oh. So, diretso may kiss, sir. Wala pa may wedding, sir. Libong ka lang, libong. Sir, tuyong ka na, sir. 360 degrees, sir. Ayan, mamino, dyan siya. EJ, tuyong ka, EJ. 360 degrees, EJ. Paikot, ikot tayo, ikot. Wala ka, oh. Sana all. Palakpakan po natin mga people. Thank you very much, EJ. And last but not the least, ayan, picture taking muna tayo. Pero muna yung pinakanindot din nga 18 roses, sukad-sukad, no? Okay, let's have forever supportive and loving father, Mr. Mark Harold Melendez. Palakpakan dyan lang people or daddy. You can't win at everything that you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry. Baby, you don't need to worry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. Okay? Ayan lang people before na yan nilang dance. Daddy, what's your birthday message? Wala na, sir? Hindi na lang doon ka mag-message. I-chat na lang mo. I-chat na lang. Okay, alam palakpakan po natin once again. Daddy Mark Harold Melendez. Again, can we have first EJ Adrian, no ginatawag doon ni EJ as ni Daddy, si EJ. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Can we have EJ first? Ayan, EJ, Drisa Dota EJ. Ladies and gentlemen, on the red corner, sir. Kung saan mo kadugay ni Krisha? 9 months. Kabalo ba si Daddy? Gulang yung kita rin pa ng... Wala din kakabalo daw, sir. So, karon natagan tigal chance to talk to her dad. Officially, in front of all the people na nag-love kay Krisha, ipakita ni mo unsa mo ka-love si Krisha. With the people on the red corner, EJ Adrian Legaspi.
Mag-usap lang ako?
Papa! Silong Papa! Ito yung gusto ko dito namin sa lahat. Remember, Manila?
Ayong daughter, kanang bukas sa kanya. Kasi nung nakita ko siya, tapos nung nag-meet mo, na siya connection sa kuha. Ano siya, like, confident kaya ko sa kanya. Yang vibe, yang botan kayo siya. And like, na-join ko sa kanya kasi tanan din ni na hindi mo makarelate siya sa kuha. Even sa akong emotional distress na ko ba, na-judge siya lagi sa kuha. Kasi karang pag napag ko kayo sa kanya.
Yeah, di ba nabong? Di ba nabong ba?
Parang, Anong, siya dyan reason na ano, siya dyan reason na ano, continue ko na. Najud may dagang times medyo down yun. And dagang times then medyo tingin ko medyo mas maayo pa na iba-iba na nangyari ka sa tabo. Pero yung anak ko,
Dawat din mo pa. Ayaw na sa
okay sa kanya. Tingin ko lang sa... Sa mahal naman ko ba dagan ganyan lang ko dagan naman time sa struggle dyan na gawa pero hindi siya na give up sa kuha. Dagan kayo kung flaws na-realize din ng kapwa na dapat siya ka supportan sa akong buhay kasi kumpara na ako sarili ko sa dati before ko siya makita doon dyan ko maka-difference siya so una pa lang sa akong confidence akong pag-saya italog ng ko pinansin ko natuto sa kanya dahil hindi ako naramdaman grateful kayo ko na makasama siya kasi hindi ko alam kung kanito ba yapon ko ka confident kanito ba yapon ko ka nice spot, ano. Now, of course, usually art-related siya. Siya lagi nag-repeat sa kuha. And sa meeting niya, nag-improve din ko lagi. I'm grateful din kaya sa kanya.
Alright, thank you.
Ayan, mami, ikaw daw ang motobag sa wala na mo nasabtan ng mga pamulong. Kung saan mo ikasulti, mami, para sa ilang relationship?
Actually, what ko nasabtan ko. Kamo ko ni siya sa Manila na siya gikan ba niya kanang dili kay siya kabalumag Bisaya. Lagi once nga siya nga kanang iharig bitbito na kong bag, yo mo sabot sa aming istorya ha? Ha? Gusto niya bitbito na kong bag, yo kasabot siyang istorya kay murag nag-mix na iyang ano. Ang ano lang ako sa inyong duha, kabalo na mo sa iyong limit. So, o na siya. Kabalo na mo unsay maayo. So, I hope na every time maghimong mo ka ng mga butang, always put in mind na unta, giyahan pirmi sa Ginoo. Unak na ingon. Okay? Sige, puro to. Hindi ako maglitanya.
Palakpakan po natin, Madam Nico. Let's have a family photo with EJ. Hala ka, official welcome na ka, EJ. Hala ka, hilakon na din si EJ. Hala ka. Ayan, Brianna. Okay, let's have Brianna here. Okay. Treasures, it doesn't matter how expensive, how elegant, or how precious the gift is. What really matters most is the thought, the value, and the essence of giving and sharing. And I know for sure that Treasure will treasure your gifts all throughout her life. So I will be calling you one by one. So please, punta po tayo dito sa harap. And don't forget to bring your gifts or your treasures with you. Thank you. Cindy Elarcosa. Make way for Laika Fiona Osorio. Ronan Kyle Zaragoza. Let's call in Mackenzie Salas. Sailin Jody Fontesilia. Juan Chelsea Reese Sumbeli. From Michael Angela Premplenza. Let's have Mark Medina. Yan, si Sir Mark. Yan yun. Hala, ang pinakakuan ka rin, no? Ang pinaka-artista ka rin gabi mo na. Okay, let's have Faika Bagundang. Ayan, sa inyo fans club ni Faika, palakpakan naman po, Madam Pipo. Veronica Armesin. Sean Kawili. Erwin J. Barro. Palakpakan po natin, Madam Pipo. Congratulations, Erwin. May sure spot ka na sa Grand Finals.
First of my gift is converting and video make daan. With 11 pata, tuwan juga lagi. First kami luman juga kan. Ada kawan luman kapag dako. Pinapaliw sa itong friendship dito. Iba itong ako. Ito. Wala na ito. Mabuntay sa lang. Naglaang tanin niya. Wala pa siya. Basta. Panutuan ni EJ. Magdugay dyan po. Why not?
Palakpakan po natin, Madam People. Thank you so much, Erwin. Coming up next, you are still on the top 5. Chevy Marie Monterio. Palakpakan po natin.
Hi, it's Krisha. My gift is something like in real life, practice ko ba na kay Instagram, quick mag-send tag reels, like that matters to me the most, and happy birthday, Abby.
Treasure Veronica Armisen. Palakpakan po natin.
Hi, Kasha. My gift is something that can hug and hopefully find comforting in. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for inviting me. Even though we haven't known each other for very long, I'm very honored to be here on this special day.
Please move forward. EJ Adrian Legaspi.
Kanang gift ko sa iyo buha. Makita mo siya sa bag and sa diri. Ano siya? Favorite animal niya. Isa po diri, favorite, may character. Isa po, I think mag-ganahan ko siya kasi ganahan mo ka sa design na bagay, medyo gothic siya. Isa ka keychain, favorite Pokemon. Ano po?
Ayan, EJ no, manangitod ka kung manak ano, para makabalumita lang mo, manadate ka. Ayun, wala bang palakpakan for EJ, madam people. Thank you very much. And last but not the least, congratulations! Ang pinakagwapo sa tanan. Mark Medina, palakpakan po natin.
First of all, salamat sa akong fans. May kapiso tanan. Among gift is something na magamit niya sa iyang outfit. This is unsa kay nga na kumbaga this is something na I think valuable sa iya. Then my wish and my prayer would be hopefully wish ko lang sa kanya para sa pag-aaral niya is makamit niya ang lahat ng mga pangarap niya sa buhay. Tapos maging masunurin sa kanyang mga magulang. At magandang gabi sa lahat.
Guys, ayan, thank you very much. Thank you, you may give your gifts. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, pwede na lang siguro EJ, dito na lang. Kuya EJ. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Okay, you may just put your gifts here na lang. Fresh. Thank you. So, last two parts na po, then we will be ending our program. So, may we call in the loving Lolo of Crescia to give his message for us tonight. Mr. Mario Melendez and Lilibet Melendez. Restauro. Sorry. Ayan, palagpakan po natin.
My dearest Apo, Aya, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best
more power and more blessings. Keep searching for a star and don't stop to study with so that you can finish your course. Advice ko lang, study lang mabuti. Yan lang. At magpapinutan ka. Maraming salamat.
Pwede po muna natin marinig ang pagpapasalamat po galing sa mother ni Crescia. Madam people, palakpakan once again for Mommy Wendy Grace Miliendes. Ayan, last set of thank you message na po tayo.
Bago ko sa akong last message, kinsay gusto makadungog og trivia gikan kay Aya or Crescia? Gusto makadungog og trivia gikan niya? Okay. Kanina si Aya, ang birthday niya is September 8. Tapos, we were thinking of naming her Crescia Faith lang. But, fortunately, kay birthday na niya si Mama Mary, mo nag-add na mo ang Maria sa iyang pangalan. Tapos, sa mga wala kabalo, mga family members na nakabalo, kani si Aya, nana siya cross nga birthmark sa iyang leg. Muna siya kanamurog amazing kayo sa iya ha. So I hope nga ikaw magpuyok ka nga pag-ana ba? Kanang magpuyok ka nga kanang I hope nga magpuyok ka nga kanang kanang I hope nagiyahan ka permi sa Ginoo sa mga plano nimo sa imong kinabuhi. O sa una di ay katong bata pa na siya, grabe nga siya, mo nang wala midget na siya, wala siyang tubo kay perti na niyang dahiya patulugon. Ginamotor na namo sa una para lang matulog na siya. Kani akong bana, wa ko manghod, ibili na siya sa bagnutan para lang matulog ilang hadlokon. Daghan kaayo nga gasolina nahurot na niya. Yung sa una, ginaduyan na namo, ipakog na nila mo sa duyan para matulog. Dili, dyan na siya matulog. Ano na siya kagahi? Ano lang ginayang height? Pero unta, kani nga bata, diligent ka na siya sa pag-study niya. Ako na lang gawin nga, Aya, katulog na, kay gabiin na. So, wala ko nagatiman sa iyaha o good grade, kay mediocre lang po ko nga pagka-estudyante sa una. Ang ako lang, makagraduate ka. Ang grado, isa lang na siya ka-factor sa success. Timanidyo na siya. Wala ko kuan sa imuha nagadiman o good grade. Basta makapasa lang ka, ang success is subjective na siya, Aya. Ang success dili na siya kanang kuan dato ka na ana. As long as malipayan ka sa imong kanabuhi, you can be successful. Ayaw kayo kanang concentrate, be happy. Ayaw kayo kanang murag kag kanang mamatay og in-study, ayaw ana. Dapat kabalo ka mag-balance imong kinabuhi. Mo na akong ginaingon sa imo ha, ginakasab-an ta ka kay dugay kay ka matulog kay grabe kay ka maka-study. Ayaw ana. Dapat kuan ka. Balance lifestyle. Okay? Unya ang ako ang pangandoy lang gid sa imuha makahuman kag eskwela kay mao na greatest treasure to every parent. Okay? Ora jud na. Og daghang salamat sa tanan di ay ako nang hatag ang microphone sa host.
Kanina, thank you for my friends for coming here and to my family members, to my classmates and to everyone. Thank you so much for coming to my birthday.
Palakpakan po natin mga love people. Alright, so just like what we did with Joey's birthday, can you still remember? Okay, ang ato ang closing activity or closing spiel nato for tonight. May we invite everyone to please rise. Ayan po, and let's gather dito po sa baba ni Crescia. Ayan po. And we will give her the last and the final birthday greetings. Ayan, akyat tayo, Crush. Okay, para masali ka sa photo.
Grupa!
Group hug. Closer tayo, closer.
Walkie na, walkie!
Okay, walkie guys, walkie!
Okay.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, walkie! Okay, dyan lang muna tayo. Let's have a video. So, happy birthday, Gresha! Palakpak, Shagit! And then we'll turn ang camera sa inyo. Twice ko mo, ana. Okay, ready? Okay, happy birthday, Gresha! Pressure sorry. Oh, okay. Palakpak, Shagit. On 3, 2, go!